Hi friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So I came in on the biggest hiring from the Deloitte, Meesho and in important company. So if you are the freshers or have some experience, then this video gonna important for you. So first important opportunity that is from the Deloitte. They are hiring for the role of Core Global Contact Center ITSD Tech Analyst Hyderabad. So this is the profile. Responsibility will be you will provide effective and timely resolution to all voice and non-voice interaction, analyze and resolve incident and service requests, and you can just go through complete job link in the description. So if you are from the BSc, BCOM, BCA, BTech with computer science and electronic background and other non-engineering graduates like diploma, then you can apply for this wonderful opportunity. The things that they are just asking, you should have good communication skill and problem solving skill, and you should have knowledge of operating system like Windows 10 and Mac OS, and knowledge of network and internet. Means if you need the notes for all this, then you can just join our WhatsApp group. We have already provided these all free presentation material related to operating system and all those. So if you are from the BTech background, must apply for this wonderful opportunity. This is second time you are getting the opportunity. First the Deloitte NLA and many candidates got the rejection and also some selection, but now you can apply for this. So they are applying for two different locations. One is Hyderabad, okay, and this is just little bit different role. This is for the role of Core Global Contact Center ITSD Tech, and this is for the Analyst GLS Hyderabad. So this is the role of Learning Administrator and level is Analyst role, and these are the some roles and responsibilities. For that you should have basic knowledge of system and procedural performance requirement positions, and you should be graduates, and if you have some experience also, then you can apply for it. But freshers I suggest must apply for this wonderful opportunity. Don't miss this again, okay. Next important opportunity that is from the Expedia group. So they are hiring for the role of Manager Data Science AI, and job location is Bangalore. So if you want to apply, you can apply for this. You should have some experience, okay, and you can just go to complete job link in the description. So this is for the experienced candidates only. Moving to next important opportunity, that is from the Agoda. They are hiring for the role of Associate Data Analyst, new graduate, Thai speaking marketing analyst, Bangkok. So if you want to apply for the data analyst role, then you can just apply for this, and for that you should have some knowledge in MS Excels and business acumen. So if you want, you can apply. Moving to next important opportunity, that is from the Meesho. They are hiring for the role of executive assistant intern positions, and what will you do? You will do calendar and communication management, travel and expense support, and event management. So this is also kind of support role, and you will means what you will need if you have done some internship or campus leadership skills. Means if you have good soft skill like verbal and communication, then you can apply for this. Moving to next important opportunity, that is from the Nuclear Power Corporation of India, NPCIL, which is a PSU. Then means if you have qualified the GATE and have some merit score, then you can apply for this wonderful opportunity. Stipend you can get 74,000 per month and 30,000 one-time book allowance. So if you are from the BTech, means if you have qualified GATE and from engineering background, then you can apply for this important opportunity. Moving to next, that is from the test link. They are hiring for the role of agentic AI engineer. This is a tech profile. So if you want to build your career in AI and have a knowledge of Python or Java, then you can apply for this wonderful opportunity. So required qualification is master's, bachelor degree in data science, artificial intelligence, machine learning, computer science, or related discipline. So if you want to apply, you can apply. These are the fundamentals knowledge you should have, like APIs and how it's working, debugging and performance basics, and DSA. DSA is very important. So just you can apply for this wonderful opportunity. Moving to next and last important opportunity, and this is also for the role of data scientist, Python, GenAI and computer vision intern. So they are basically looking for a 2 year, means I think you can ignore that this is for the experienced candidates. So these are the some important opportunity. If you want, you can apply. Again, make sure to subscribe our channel so that you will not miss any update. We regularly post lots of important job updates like TCS and QT hiring, Salesforce hiring is going on. So if you haven't applied for those, you should apply, especially for the Salesforce. They are hiring for the 2026 pass out batch. So apply with the updated resume. So if you have any query, feel free to ask here. We can connect on LinkedIn and you can ask any query there. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. थैंक